Space is vast. It holds countless mysteries. Yet right here on Earth, we have mysteries just as perplexing. Prions are one of them. These tiny proteins defy what we thought we knew about biology. They cause devastating diseases, and they challenge us to unlock their secrets. Prions are unlike any other infectious agent. They're not bacteria or viruses. They don't even carry genetic material like DNA or RNA. Understanding these rogue proteins is crucial. It helps us develop treatments, and it might even shed light on other brain diseases. Join me as we journey into the microscopic world of prions. We'll explore their unique characteristics, the diseases they cause, and the ongoing scientific efforts to combat them. Fasten your seatbelts, because things are about to get very small and very strange. Imagine a protein, a tiny machine essential for life. Now picture this protein gone rogue, twisting into an abnormal shape. This, my friends, is a prion. Prions are misfolded versions of proteins naturally found in our brains and bodies. While their normal counterparts are crucial for various biological functions, prions are troublemakers. They have a unique ability. They can force other proteins to adopt their abnormal shape. This sets off a chain reaction, leading to the accumulation of misfolded proteins in the brain. Think of a perfectly arranged stack of papers. Now imagine someone crumpling a few sheets. As the crumpled sheets bump into others, they too become crumpled, creating a messy pile. That's similar to how prions spread their abnormal shape. This process disrupts the intricate workings of our brain cells, leading to severe and often fatal neurological disorders. Proteins are the workhorses of our cells. They come in a dazzling array of shapes, each tailored to perform a specific job. The shape of a protein is dictated by its amino acid sequence, like a string of beads arranged in a specific order. Normal prion proteins found on the surface of many cells have a structure dominated by alpha helices, resembling neatly coiled springs. These proteins are thought to be involved in cell signaling and protecting neurons. Prions, on the other hand, are the rebels of the protein world. They share the same amino acid sequence as their normal counterparts, but their 3D structure is drastically different. Prions have a high proportion of beta sheets, resembling flat, rigid sheets. This structural change makes prions incredibly stable and resistant to degradation. Imagine crumpling a piece of paper versus folding it neatly. The crumpled paper, like a prion, is more stable and less likely to unfold on its own. This structural difference is at the heart of how prions cause disease. Section 4. The domino effect, how prions spread disease. Now let's delve into the heart of the problem. How do these misfolded prions wreak havoc in the brain? It all comes down to their contagious nature. When a prion encounters a normal prion protein, it acts like a mold, forcing the normal protein to adopt its abnormal shape. This conversion process is akin to a domino effect. One misfolded prion can trigger the misfolding of countless others. As these misfolded proteins clump together, they form aggregates, disrupting the normal function of brain cells. Imagine a traffic jam of misfolded proteins, clogging up the brain's intricate machinery. Over time, these aggregates accumulate, leading to the death of brain cells and the characteristic spongy appearance of the brain seen in prion diseases. This progressive damage results in a range of debilitating neurological symptoms, including dementia, loss of coordination, and ultimately, death. Section 5. Prion diseases in humans, a rare but real threat. Prion diseases are a group of rare, fatal brain disorders that affect both humans and animals. While these diseases are relatively uncommon, they pose a significant public health concern due to their devastating nature and our limited understanding of how to treat them. One of the most well-known human prion diseases is Creutzfeldt-Jakob Disease, or CJD. CJD typically affects older adults and causes a rapidly progressive dementia, leading to death within a year of diagnosis. Another human prion disease is Kuru, which was once prevalent in Papua New Guinea. Kuru was spread through a ritualistic practice of consuming the brains of deceased relatives. This tragic example highlights the infectious nature of prions and the importance of understanding their transmission routes. While most cases of CJD are sporadic, meaning they occur without a known cause, a small percentage are inherited or acquired through contaminated medical instruments or corneal transplants. This highlights the challenges in preventing the spread of prion diseases.